Today we are going to discuss about defibrillator. So defibrillator was invented in 1930 by electrical engineer Mr. William. So what is defibrillator? Defibrillator is a device which delivers electric shock or electric energy to a heart to restore its normal heartbeat. Defibrillator हम कब यूज करेंगे? So in case of cardiac arrest, we are going to use defibrillator. Cardiac arrest is a situation where patient is suffering through a arrhythmia. There are two shockable arrhythmias. First one is ventricular fibrillation and second one is ventricular tachycardia without any pulse. So अगर आपको इन दो में से कोई भी एक अरिथमिया नोटिस हो मॉनिटर पे या फिर ईसीजी पे, देन समझ आना कि पेशेंट कार्डियक अरेस्ट में है, देन आपको डिफिब्रिलेटर की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. तो अरिथमियास क्या है? अरिथमिया मीन्स व्हेनेवर यू सी एनी एबनॉर्मल हार्ट रिदम दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज एन अरिथमिया. बस दिस इज अ सिंपल डेफिनेशन फॉर अरिथमिया. So now we'll discuss how many types of defibrillator are available in market. So there are only two types. First one is biphasic defibrillator and second one is monophasic defibrillator. So biphasic defibrillators require maximum amount of joules is up to 200 and monophasic requires a maximum amount of joules is up to 360 joules. Why monophasic requires up to 360 joules is because the flow of shock delivery is only one way. Current or energy will flow from apex to sternum in monophasic defibrillator, but in biphasic defibrillator current or shock or energy will flow in both the direction, that is from apex to sternum and sternum to apex region. You will see biphasic defibrillator in most of the hospitals. The reason is they are effective in cardiac arrest cases. Second thing is whenever we use monophasic defibrillators, the chances of chest burn are on higher side. Patient can suffer through trauma. You need a higher amount of joules to deliver a appropriate shock or sufficient amount of shock in monophasic defibrillator. So हमारे पास यहाँ पे निहॉन कोडेन कंपनी का डिफिब्रिलेटर है. इट्स अ जापानीज कंपनी.
The model is TEC 5631. We'll discuss the basic structure of this defibrillator. Back hand side you will get socket for power cord connection. Once you switch on the main supply, you can see green AC indicator and battery charging indicator. This machine will perform self test whenever you switch on or off the main supply. राइट हैंड साइड पे आपको ECG सॉकेट मिलेगा जहाँ पे आप ECG केबल कनेक्ट करोगे. This is the left side of defibrillator where you will see printer. Let's see how to insert a print paper or print roll. Make sure whichever print roll you are using, the graph side should always face upward side. Then you need to place the print roll properly in between latches. After that you will close the door. You will get a click sound, that means your print roll is properly fixed. This is the front view of defibrillator where you will see display, then few function keys, therapy knob, charge and shock button and pacing parameters. Here we can connect external paddles, internal paddles or disposable pads. This is the external paddle cable. इसे कनेक्ट करने के लिए आपको ये नॉच एंड द एरो मैच करना है. होल्ड द डिफिब्रिलेटर विथ योर लेफ्ट हैंड, देन आपके थंब का यूज करके आपको बस ये कनेक्टर प्रेस करना है. यू विल गेट ए क्लिक साउंड, दैट मीन्स इट इज प्रॉपरली फिक्स्ड. टू रिमूव दिस केबल आपको बस ये ब्लैक नॉच लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रोटेट करना है लाइक दिस. This is the top view of defibrillator where you can see external paddles and paddle holder where we are going to keep our external paddle.
To recognize that the patient is in cardiac arrest or not, make sure आप ECG केबल पेशेंट को अटैच कर रहे हो. So this is a 3 lead ECG केबल. अगर आपके पास ECG केबल नहीं है, then also you can recognize the heart rhythm of patient by using this external paddle. उसके लिए हमें you need to press this lead button. You will see paddle on the screen. So now I can use this external paddle to recognize heart rhythm of patient. If you have the ECG cable, you can select lead 1, lead 2 or lead 3, whichever is showing appropriate ECG graph. अगर आपको ECG वेवफॉर्म का हाइट कम ज़्यादा करना है, then you need to press this button. this is the sensitivity button. You can press this button to increase or decrease height of ECG waveform.